Good morning viewers, and today once again that you are most welcome to this video. And just yesterday I taught you that how to pronounce that abroad English words, and today also just you are going to watch the such a word that which will lead you, and it will just give you a talent how to speak the foreigner words, how to speak the use abroad words, and that I'm going to tell you, that I'm going to teach you. Yes, you must focus on your study and focus on this whiteboard, what is here and how to learn this. Just we will study today T sound. T sound. Then today we are going to learn with T sound, that how to use this T when we pronounce the abroad pronunciations. Just you talk about the table. This T will pronounce that as a tha in Hindi, not a T, ta. The we use ta, but ta we have not used. We have to use tha. As just I am going to write some examples here. As here, table. In general English, Indian English, that we call this table, but when we use that abroad pronunciations, then that is called use tava. Do we have to use tava? Just you write tan, then you have to use tan. Tan. You have to say the tan. The I have 10 rupees. I have the 10 MS members. I have the 10 copies, books. Like this, that you have to use this T pronunciation. Just you write about the teacher, then you have to use the teacher. Teacher. There how many teachers are there? There who is your math teacher? There who is your English teacher? Like that we pronounce this T. Whenever you are pronouncing, then always you follow these rules, and if you are able to speak other English that as abroad, then please that you pronounce T as a tha, that when you pronounce. Just you say the trick. There is a trick. Trick. You have to use this trick. This is tear. You have to use tear. Like that. But how many that words start that with your T, or whenever the T you see that in your word, wherever it is, that it is in beginning or in mid or at last, you have to use this T that as a tha. Always remember this. Then you will be able to pronounce that as abroad. Then actually other guys that I would like to tell you, that whenever that you are using these all the pronunciations, then you have to follow those all the letters, that how to use those letters while speaking is very important. It's very early guys, with those who are learning and those who have desire to learn that abroad English. When someone talk to you and you like to answer them that in his abroad language, it's really it's really that a fantastic things, and you will be proud of yourself. That I can also experience the use abroad people, and just you can just gossip to them is very easily, that according to your abroad experiences. तो अभी आपने देखा कि ये टी साउंड का आप कैसे प्रयोग करेंगे. तो ये टी को आप ठा लेके चलेंगे, आप तभी आपका ये अब्रॉड लैंग्वेज में आप तब्दील इसको कर सकते हैं. तो आज के वीडियो में आपने देखा कि मैंने टी का साउंड आप कैसे करेंगे, और इसके बाद मैं आपको और एक साउंड बताने जा रहा हूं. आप उसको फॉलो करें और उसके अनुसार आप प्रोनाउंस करें उस वर्ड का